Now, if you are tired of using expensive AI tools like Midjourney, well, Leonardo AI is a free alternative and accessible platform that can compete with most of those paid tools. In this video, I'll be showing you all about the Leonardo AI tool. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of creating a stunning AI art using just this free AI tool. But first, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in growing your YouTube channel with the help of AI, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First things first, let's start by accessing the Leonardo tool by clicking on the link in the description box below this video. Once you are on the site, you want to click on the early access button here at the top. Then enter your email address and hit the Count Me In button. Now you have to understand that the Leonardo AI tool is still on beta, but is really in competition with Midjourney. Now next is joining the Discord server by clicking on the Join Discord button. If you already have a Discord account, you can just join the server directly by clicking on the invite link here. But if you don't have an account yet, you want to create one and then join the server. Now after joining the server, you will be required to access the AI tool directly from your browser. So you want to click back to the home page and you'll see these featured models that the Leonardo AI has been trained with. Now, when you compare the interface of Midjourney and the Leonardo AI tools, you see that the Leonardo AI interface is way better than that of Midjourney or other AI image tools. Here you have the option of choosing a template or starting from scratch. Now once you're logged in, you can choose to start with a new project from scratch or use one of the templates available in the AI tool. If this is your first time of trying out the Leonardo AI tool, I would recommend starting with a template to get a feel for how the tool works. Let's now take a look at some of the examples of the AI art generated by the Leonardo AI tool. So if you click on any of these images, you'll be given all the details about that specific image. You'll be given fine details such as the prompt used in generating the image, the negative prompt, the solutions, the date it was created, the guidance scale, and the model used to create the image. There are different models that the Leonardo AI tool has been trained with. You have the Leonardo Diffusion, RPG 4.0, Vintage Style, Photography, Dream Shaper, Creative Pixels Art, Spirit Creatures, and many more. So if you find a particular image that you love, you can use the remix tool to copy the prompt and all the generated settings to create images that are almost identical. As you can see, I've also been playing around with the tool to generate these stunning avatars that I can use with a tool like the DID AI to generate a talking head video for my channel. Let me know in the comments area if you would like me to create a video on that. Now let's put the tool to the test by creating an AI image from scratch. So first, you want to select a model, and in this case, I'll go with the RPG 4.0 model simply because that's the best for avatars and that's what I need. But you can go for any of these other models depending on what you want to create. Next is typing in your prompt. In this case, I just paste in a prompt that says a 50-year-old black man, sharp eyes, he's wearing a dark blue and gold suit, low hairstyle, he's looking at the camera, midnight aura, night sky. I'll just paste this prompt in the description box below if you're interested. Now you can activate the prompt magic strength feature to make the output more accurate. You can also select the number of images you want to generate, the image dimension, and the aspect ratio. You have to take note that the more images you generate, the more tokens you spend. Now, As you can see here, this is the number of tokens you should start with. Tokens on the Leonardo AI app is just like currency you spend for the images you generate. Of course, the token is constantly being refilled so that you have more opportunities to use the AI tool for free. Now below here is the image to image feature, which allows you to upload an image and use it as a prompt instead of typing in your prompt. Now when you are all done with your settings, click on generate and wait for the tool to generate your images. Now, if for whatever reason you are not happy with the image generated, you can always change the prompt and try again. Now, below each of the generated images, you also find features such as the background removal feature, on zooming feature, and the downloading feature. Now, another cool way of using the Leonardo AI to generate images is by using the AI canvas option, which will take you to this editor. The Leonardo AI Canvas Editor is a powerful tool that can empower you to create, edit, and refine your images using cutting-edge AI technology. With a Canvas editor, you can make intricate adjustments to your images, remove unwanted elements, or even generate new content using in-painting and out-painting techniques. In this Canvas editor, you also find a wide range of features or tools to help you achieve the results you want. The possibilities actually are endless for this AI tool. Let's just take a quick look at some of the features and tools available on the canvas. So to start using the canvas editor, you first need to upload an image, and to do this you want to click on the upload image button. Once you select your image and upload it, it's going to appear on the canvas. The pan tool here is used to move around the canvas or view different parts of the image. So to use this tool, you want to click on the pan button. Now, once the tool is active, you can click and drag the canvas to move it around. You can also zoom in and out of the canvas using the zoom button. You can use the draw mask button or feature on the toolbar to paint a mask over areas of an image you want to change. So for example, after masking an area, you can enter a prompt for the image such as person wearing glasses and regenerate the masked area. This feature allows you to make a specific change to your image without affecting the rest of the picture, while also retaining some information of the image under the mask, such as the color, the subject, and the style of the image. The erase button here on the toolbar will let you remove parts of an image. So once you have erased an area, you can enter a prompt for the image and regenerate the erased area. Actually, this is particularly useful when you want to get rid of an unwanted element in your image or picture. So to generate new content, you just need to enter a prompt in the prompt text field and click on the generate button. Now, like I already mentioned, using this tool is free. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.